Hi, I'm Zurich. Welcome to my channel. My name is Zurich Nikolai Francisco Orbuela. People call me Z for short. I worked in the TV industry for a few years now, and since the pandemic closed down everything, including the studios, I decided to go YOLO and start my own YouTube channel. But why? Like you, I'm just a regular gamer, but probably unlike you, I've been through all the esport ladder rankings and suffered through the endless cycle of winning and losing. So, I created this channel to share my stories, experiences, and perspective throughout my 15+ year grind of being an above average gamer. But wait, there's more. I also want to include my future adventures with my friends and family in forms of vlogs, and you get to enjoy it all in the comfort of your own screen. Wow, technology. I want to cover topics like how did I get good, how did I balance life, how did I balance sports, music, hobbies, relationships, all that stuff while still grinding to that top rank every day or average rank every day. Well, this is the channel for you. And since you've already clicked in this first video, I will just give you the greatest, biggest secret tip that pro gamers uses and refuse to tell you. Are you ready? But before that, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and share your comments down below so I know that you're not a bot. And without further ado, here's the biggest tip that any pro gamer uses. A schedule. Ta-da! Oh, but Z, I hate scheduling and doing stuff and doing adult things. Well, guess what, honey bunny? You want to be good, you gotta do work. I know it sounds incredibly simple and obvious, but min-maxing that 24 hours is incredibly important for us gamers. I'll even show you an example. Just copy and paste this. Sleep is important for our mental fortitude and our reflexes. Easy, 8 hours. Game time, also equally important, probably 8 hours. So this means even if you game for 8 hours straight, you would still have another 8 hours to do things that you have to do, like exercising, eating, preparing food to eat, sometimes cleaning, a lot of INGs, a lot of verbs. So just fill up the rest with what you have to do and not what you want to do. Remember, there is a difference and you are only lying to yourself. You are your own boss now. The boss. Call yourself out if you stray, and eventually you'll make a habit out of it. That's what we want to create both in real game and in real life. Good habits. Always remember that how you feel in real life is typically how you'll play in game. So having a sound mind equals to a higher KD. Anyway, that's it for me in this intro video. If you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell notification button. I will wait for you for 5 seconds. Thank you so much. If you want more of me, make sure to tune into my Twitch at twitchtv.com/Owlstronaut. I usually stream Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. You can watch me get bodied live and even chat me out. See you in the next one. Peace.